This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so fixes work. Check that the host OS is updated and you reboot it after updates. This prevents locked files. Make sure Virtualbox and the extension pack share the same version because mismatches cause critical errors. Then verify CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS or UEFI. Without VTX or AMDV, virtual machines may fail to start. Once these are done, open Virtualbox and pick the problematic VM to begin targeted fixes. Now you dig into the VM specifics because most critical errors arise from misconfiguration. First, check memory and video allocations. Too much or too little can trigger host conflicts, so adjust incrementally. Next, toggle chipset, I/O APIC, and paravirtualization provider. These affect guest kernel behavior. Then inspect the VM log in Virtualbox logs and search for critical or var codes to identify the subsystem. Make changes one at a time, restart the VM, and observe whether the error message evolves. Finish by repairing drivers and using Virtualbox tools to reset the VM. Reinstall guest editions inside the guest and update host drivers. USB and graphics often cause critical failures. If the VM remains faulty, run vbox manage commands like repair medium or export the VM to OVF and re-import. This rebuilds configuration metadata. Make sure to try creating a fresh test VM with the same settings to determine whether the problem is host-wide or specific to that VM. If issues persist, check the log code for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.